Hey guys, it's me, Alicia, aka Voted Best Hair. Thank you so much for joining me back on my channel and Happy New Year. So if you guys have been on YouTube for a while, you guys are probably already familiar with Whitney, aka Natural 85, and she has some brand new products that have just come out. I pre-ordered mine back in October. I got my stuff this weekend and I'm so excited to try them out. I have been wanting to try out this twist cream for a minute. So let me just show you guys what I got in my package first. The first thing that I got was this visor, and it says Melanin on it. And I just love this because I can never wear hats. Number one, my head is too big, and number two, I have a lot of hair. So I can never wear hats, but with this, it has this huge hole in the middle. So I can not only wear like a ponytail, but I can wear my hair down and it just, you know, just sits right on top of my head. So cute, the melanin, and then it also has N85, which I thought was super cute too. I also got this melanin head wrap. And I'm not a big head wrap type of person, but I just thought this was really super cute and I want to try it out, especially for those days where, you know, you just don't feel like doing your hair. This is a really great option, so I bought this as well. And for the star of the show, I got the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. So let's get into it. So first of all, let's talk about the packaging. So I think it's super cute. I love it. It's just kind of like clean. You have like the word melanin and I think it's like a dark gray, and then the peach, and this is like all see-through. So this white color that you see, this is the actual product. So that's pretty cool. And it's 16 ounces. This was $16.99 when I purchased it. So not bad. I think you get a good amount of product for the price. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no formaldehydes, and no, I don't even know what this word is, no PHTHALATES. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Now for the smell. So when you open it up, it just opens right up, and it just smells like shea butter. There's no like no scent to it or anything like that. Just the shea butter. The way they describe the cream is a lightweight elongating style cream designed to make your hair more manageable, reducing tangles and knots. All right guys, so I have washed my hair, conditioned my hair, and I put a leave-in conditioner in my hair as well. So now I'm gonna start I think with the back section here. So I had my hair in 4 sections. So this was the back section. I'm just gonna take one section from that twist. All right, so for how to use, it says use as little or as much needed massaging style cream into wet or dry hair, 1 section at a time, style as desired, use your favorite leave-in conditioner. So like I said, I've already put my leave-in conditioner in. Next, I'm going to add cream. And I'm just gonna start off with a little bit for now. And then I'm gonna add a little oil. I'm just gonna detangle with my Denman brush, just to make sure there's no knots in my hair. And then we're gonna twist. You know, we always gotta add a little bit more to the very ends of our hair. Yeah. Hey guys. All right, so are y'all ready for the takedown? Because I am. I'm just going to start with the back of my hair. If you guys remember, this was the first twist that I did here in the back. So I'm going to start off with that one. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my hands, making it a little bit easier to untwist. All right. Wow. Can you guys see that? The definition is crazy. Wow. And they're just kind of like sliding apart, like so easily. I see these results. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. I already knew just off of seeing how Whitney used the products and how it worked in her hair, it was going to be bomb. Like I had no reason to think otherwise. And my suspicions were correct. This is the future. Right here, Melanin Hair Care. All right, guys, so for sure, I love the product. Nice and lightweight. My curls are defined. My curls feel so soft and moisturized. It's not greasy at all. It just feels so good. And look at my hair. I mean, the proof is in the pudding, honey. Proof is in the pudding. So you guys, I just want to congratulate Whitney and you and your sister. This is a Black-owned, family-owned, woman-owned business. Amazing. Just, you know, congratulations to you guys. I think you guys definitely have a winner out here, and I will definitely be using these products for years to come. So what's next? What y'all got next? Because I'm sure y'all got something up y'all's sleeve. Oh gosh. Thank you. Thank you, Melanin Hair Care. All right, guys, until the next video, seize your destiny and have fun doing it. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time.